Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 tips for studying effectively. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to improve your learning skills, these tips will help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. Tip number 1, set a schedule. One of the most important things you can do when studying is to set a schedule. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have enough time to cover all the material you need to learn. Try to allocate specific blocks of time for each subject and stick to it as much as possible. Tip number 2, minimize distractions. Studying in a distracting environment can hinder your ability to concentrate and absorb information. Try to find a quiet place to study, turn off your phone or put it on silent, and avoid social media and other distractions that can take your attention away from your studies. Tip number 3, take breaks. It's important to take breaks when studying to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. Try the Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer 15 to 20-minute break. Tip number 4, use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques, such as taking notes, summarizing information, and explaining concepts to others, can help you retain information better. Try to actively engage with the material you are studying rather than passively reading or listening. Tip number 5, use mnemonics. Mnemonics, which are memory aids such as acronyms or rhymes, can help you remember information more easily. Try to create your own mnemonics or use ones that are already available. Tip number 6, practice self-testing. Self-testing, such as taking practice quizzes or writing summaries of material, can help you identify areas where you need to improve and solidify your understanding of the material. Tip number 7, get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, so it's important to get enough rest when studying. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure that your brain is functioning optimally. Tip number 8, use visualization. Visualization can be a powerful tool for memorizing information. Try to create mental images or visual representations of the material you are studying to help you remember it better. Tip number 9, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help you stay focused and alert when studying. Try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Tip number 10, ask for help. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help if you're struggling with a particular subject or concept. Reach out to your teacher, professor, or a tutor for assistance. There's no shame in seeking help, and it can make a big difference in your ability to learn and succeed. And that's it for our top 10 tips for studying effectively. Remember to set a schedule, minimize distractions, take breaks, use active learning techniques, use mnemonics, practice self-testing, get enough sleep, use visualization, stay hydrated, and ask for help when needed. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your learning goals. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.